guys, so today I have quite the video. I'm so excited! I am finally rebuilding my computer. I sold my brother part of my old computer and called it time to order some new parts. So my old computer, I don't know if I showed it very much in my room redo video. It was kind of ugly. I built it 2 years ago and I had been booting it up recently and she died. So what would happen is I used a Republic of Gamers motherboard before and I just got a new one. So it would show the Republic of Gamers screen for 2 hours and then it would go to the Windows boot screen for another 4 hours. And then if it did boot, it was just a black screen. So clearly there were issues. And so I sold my brother all the old parts and I was like, this is cheaper because I don't know if it's gonna work. So we're rebuilding my computer. She was kind of a little bit ugly. I'm obsessed with the way that my room looks. And then I would look at my computer and I'd be like, ooh. So hopefully my new parts can solve that. I've always wanted a white PC setup and this has a white PC case. So I'm very, very excited for that. In here, I have my i7. I used to use AMD, but I thought I'd give Intel a try this time. And then I have a CPU cooler, PC cooler. I'm very excited about that. I've wanted to try a water cooler for so long. Ooh, she's gorgeous. This case comes with RGB fans. You can't see them very well from here, but it comes with 3 of them, 2 on the front and 1 on the side, or on the back, I guess. And then I'll have my CPU cooler fans up there, obviously where my motherboard goes. I hope everything fits okay. I double checked on the measurements, but you never know. Shout out to my dad's screwdriver. I love this thing. You can switch out the heads and everything. I think it's really cool. She is an ROG Strix B760. B760? Yeah, B760A gaming Wi-Fi motherboard. I've been using USB Wi-Fi stuff for the longest, and this one has an actual USB connector, so very excited about that. She is absolutely stunning. This, she's gorgeous. This is genuinely the most beautiful motherboard that I've ever seen. Let me make sure you guys can, yeah. Wow. Wow. I already have my SSD. Yeah, my SSD is already in here. I put it in here the other day. Still waiting on my RAM. That should be coming tomorrow, but we're gonna get most of this done today, just so I can go ahead and call it. Like I said earlier, we're going to be using the i7, and I'm kind of excited just again because I haven't used Intel before. So I don't know if this one was secondhand or not. I don't think it was, but this one's an i7 12th gen 12700KF. So I got her in. She's working. So what we're going to grab next, I am reusing some of my storage, so I'm reusing my DVD Blue 1 terabyte. I am reusing my power supply. This is I don't know if it's pronounced Avega or just EVGA, 600BA. And I am reusing my graphics card, so I think we're gonna put her in next. She's a little bit dusty. That's okay though. Well, okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of off-camera wiring so you guys don't have to sit through that, and then I have to go to work. So I'll probably see you guys tomorrow, maybe tonight. So this is her. She's done. Almost. I need to get an RGB splitter for this top fan up here so that both of them can have RGB. It's gonna be different from these fans, but that's because it's like a separate brand. It's a little bit loud, but it's cooled off. I don't have Windows yet, so I can't do anything on my computer, but just resting temperature for my CPU is 29 Celsius, which is really good. And I have 5 fans on this thing, so I would hope so. But she's done. I'll put my specs up on the screen over here, I guess. I've reused some of my parts, so I reused my hard drive, my SSD, my graphics card, and I think that's it. Oh, my power supply. But everything else is new. I love it. It's so pretty. And I put my little friend up here. I got him in LA. And I haven't really had a home for him, but now we do. Thank you all for joining me on the distressful journey that was building this computer. I'm very proud of her. I'm very proud of myself. Yeah, I'm excited to have a working computer again because I haven't for a couple weeks, maybe closer to a month. So I'm very excited